Hey, this is Dave again with the Shepherd School, and I got me some new shooting glasses, and they're a little more expensive than normal. Normally I get some good electronic shooting protection for about 40 bucks, 36 bucks to $45. These were about 80 on Amazon. I got them on a gift card, which I appreciate y'all clicking on the links to get stuff, because I get a little percentage, and I use the money to get me these hearing aids, hearing protection. They're stereo, so you only put the batteries in one spot. That's a whole lot nicer than the ones I normally have, because you got to take the ear cups off to put the batteries in, and it takes 4 AA's. This takes 3 AAA's. It's stereo, AM, FM. All right, and it's got presets, so I can set my stations to the good country music I like listening to. Clock for 24-hour and 12-hour time. But what I really like about it, the reason I got them, was because it's got a microphone and it has Bluetooth. So right now I've connected to Bluetooth and I'm streaming some good Charlie Daniels band through the earphones, and I've got it turned down so you can't hear it. But next month I plan on ordering me a family radio service Bluetooth enabled radio, because I found that, like, when I'm mowing the yard or whatnot, with wired in radios like I've used before, you know, the wife can call and say, hey, you tired, you want a break, you want something to drink, you know, or quit acting a fool, hurry up and get done. But with the wired ones, it's kind of a pain, because I got the wire running all around my back, gets sweaty and whatnot, pulls loose. But with Bluetooth, right, Bluetooth goes up to a couple hundred feet, so I don't even have to have my phone with me. And then I can talk, which is kind of important, because the kid's showing an interest in guns, and you know, as I try to tell him stuff, he's always like, what? He tries to take his hearing protection off. So I can get another pair, and then I can talk right in his ear as I'm helping him out. So setting them up is pretty easy. You just put the battery in, you turn it on, make sure the microphone's plugged in. And to set it to Bluetooth, all you got to do is go through the modes, AM, FM. Oh, I turned it off. Okay, so turn it on, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and then just pair it with your device, and then you hit preset, and then it's going to stream right through it, right? And then if you want to go to regular music, right, you can just go run through the channels. I'm going to set it for the old country station around here that I really like. Alright, and then I can get straight to work. There you go.